Hello guys, it's been a while since we last spoke. Today I would like to share valuable information for those crypto enthusiasts who are new, who have a small deposit, and who are afraid of the current market situation, but they want to increase their small balances. And with Bybit Launchpad, you can do so almost risk-free. And this is the opportunity that I personally take, and this is the opportunity I share with my closest friends that are also afraid to invest now, but basically they don't have enough money to invest to gain a significant return. That is why I tell them to join and participate in each Bybit's Launchpad, especially since they implemented the new format for the Launchpad in the USDT. Before there were only one option to participate in the Bybit Launchpad. This is using BIT tokens. Of course, with BIT tokens you can earn more coins of an asset, but with USDT you can join and participate via the lottery, and if your ticket is winning, you will receive an allocation. The chances of your ticket to become winning are somewhere around 33%. So basically, one of the three or one of the two launch pads, your ticket is going to be a winning one. And definitely I want to share some details of my participation and of my friends, and for you to understand how you can earn using the launchpad. In June, Bybit has announced already two launchpads. The one has taken place yesterday. Unfortunately, I didn't win. My ticket wasn't winning. This was walking token. Also, let's look to the previous launchpad origami ply that I was participating, and I was sharing with you on YouTube about this opportunity. Then I was talking about how trending this asset is going to be, and I expected it to make at least 10x, to multiply by 10 since the listing and the start of the trading, because this project is the real financial project, and there are a lot of significant and strong investors behind it, as well as Coinbase Ventures. But as you can see, they split this launchpad between three platforms, and that is why it only gave us x5. So it multiplied by 5 since the listing. So to give you more details, I was participating. What should you and have you do to participate in the USDT lottery, in the launchpad of each Bybit's product and that is being launched? Definitely you have to hold only 100 USDT on your Bybit account. So if you don't have your Bybit account, you can find a link in this description and sign up right now, and you will receive additional bonuses from me using my partner link. And if you have your account already, you can simply open your account and fund it with 100 USDT, and you can wait for the next launchpad that is going to start on 25th of June, and the trading starts on 30th June. So basically what you have to do, you need $100 on your account, and when the snapshot period starts. This is the period when your all the participants' accounts are being screened about how many money they have, and if you meet the requirements, you will be eligible in the next 5 days after the subscription period starts. That will last the subscription period, the distribution period, and the start of the trading is going to happen in 1 day, in matter of hours. So basically what was with my Ply participation. I committed $100 when the snapshot period was over and subscription and lottery period started. I visited this page, and it asked me whether I want to commit my 100 USDT, and I confirmed that I am committing them. Basically, the platform simply takes into account this 100 USDT. It doesn't take them. So it simply blocks them for a while, for a few hours, until the lottery is over. And when the lottery is over, if you receive your lottery number, you can see it. I received it, and when the lottery was over, it showed me that my ticket is winning, among the winning ones, and I received 4,000 Ply. For these 4,000 Ply, they were worth $20. It is a small amount, but as soon as the rest of $100, $80 came back to my account, and on the reserved $20, I received 4,000 Ply. And in an hour, the trading of Ply has begun, and it is crucial for you to follow this start of this trading, because in the first 5, 10, or 15 minutes, everything becomes clear about how the price action is going to evolve with this asset. I expected it to make at least X10, but unfortunately, a lot of people expected that, and we didn't get what we expected initially. So it only pumped X5 from its IEO price, and I noticed it on the chart. You can see it here. We can see this pumping candle showing us as if we did X10, but it wasn't actually that true, because nobody could sell here. It was basically the candle that was created, I think, by the exchanges market makers, and the real trading was here in this zone where this second hourly candle is. And we started from here, 1 cent, almost 2 cents, and we got up to 2.5 cents. And this is where I spotted on the lower time frames that we are not going higher, and that is why I sold my Ply at 2.5 cents. And basically I made, from $20 invested, I made $100. That is good, 80% dollars in 10 minutes, with no risks, because if you can see and scroll through the Launchpad projects on Bybit, all of them were successful. All of them made at least, they multiplied since the listing by 3 to 10 or more times. So basically, you will never lose those small money you invest, $20 or $12 as they put it now, that are taken from you and when you participate in USDT lottery Launchpad here. So basically, you are risking small money, 12 or up to $20, but you can win up to 100 or 150 $200, depends on the on an asset and the conditions of the market. So basically it is a win-win situation, and you won't lose your small money you invest. Of course you won't get big rewards, big profit, but if you are like some of my friends who only can invest $100 a month, so they invested it, okay, they can buy some coins right now, and that would be it. Those $100 won't make them rich. It will take a few years for them to earn something. But with the participation in these launchpads, if their ticket is winning, they can improve their initial deposits by two, and that would be another situation already. They will be able to buy more. So definitely I'm participating, my friends are participating to increase their, somebody of us is going to get the winning ticket. So basically imply I invested $20, I earned $100 selling almost definitely at the highs of Ply when it started trading. So I did good here, and it was a successful participation. No risks were involved here. So then I wanted to participate in this next walk-in project. Basically, I didn't believe in it because it is an imposter, a copy project of the Steppen, if you know what it means, and not a very good one. I didn't expect much of it, but I certainly participated in it because, you spend only $12.50 here, and you receive 750 VLKN, and if your ticket would be winning, you would be able to sell it. If you will look at it, I couldn't believe myself, but these stupid projects with no future, I think, it is my personal opinion, they are highly trending and a lot of people are pumping it. And when I opened this, I discovered that my ticket wasn't winning, but my friend's ticket was, and he told me that, and I opened this trading page of the VLKN coin, and I saw that this wasn't the artificial candle here. The price within the first 5-10 minutes was actually here. When I opened, it was around 20 cents, and based on the initial price of the IEO, where people were buying less than 2 cents, for less than 2 cents, at 20 cents it was already X10. It was a great opportunity, and I told my friend to sell it, and he actually sold for 21 cents. Of course he didn't get a little bit more at 25 cents, but I was certain that he has to buy. If you see the asset on the start of the trading, the Launchpad asset reaching X10, you should immediately sell, because they can drive it a little bit higher, but they will squeeze you very fast. And as you can see, they squeezed it very fast and abruptly, getting a lot of people, catching a lot of people along the way. You see, the first 15 minutes, the price went higher and it was squeezed by half. And of course, if you didn't manage to sell somewhere here, or if it wasn't possible to sell it here in the first minutes, of course you will be will find yourself somewhere here. And actually I wouldn't recommend selling here, because usually after we squeeze here to the middle of this candle, first candle, we start a little bit scaring people, but then it starts a little of recovery. And if you see some kind of this recovery, basically it is our high. if you didn't manage and didn't have the opportunity of selling here, you will definitely wait for it to drive higher. And somewhere here, there are clear signals here that we are reversing and not going higher. So it would be the best place to sell here around 16 cents. And with Ply, I did exactly that. We didn't have the opportunity to buy here. It was immediately appeared somewhere here, and I waited it to get a little recovery, then spotted the reversal, local reversal, and I sold, and I never regretted, but because that was the high. So the same situation with Vulcan. My friend was grateful. He sold on this candle around 20 cents, and he was grateful that I told him to sell immediately, because he asked me what if it goes higher, but I told him it doesn't matter, because the risks here when we already made X10 are high, and you better take your profit than regret that you didn't. And he sold, he made X10, so basically investing $12.50, he made $125 from this trade, risk-free. Those he invested very small money, $12.50, and multiplied it by 10, and his initial deposit of $100, he just started investing. He asked me to advise him what to do. He's new in this business, in the crypto trading and investing, and he asked me to help, and I provide him with his help, and he multiplied his initial $100 investment by 2, and now he has $212 or something like that, and he is set to participate in the next Bybit Launchpad, which is going to happen also very soon. And let's look at it. The next Bybit Launchpad is going to take place in 2 days. The snapshot period starts on 25th of June. So basically it is a OBX OpenBlocks. I looked at it, and it also another project similar to Vulcan and Steppen. Oh, I'm sorry, we don't have a direct link here on the website, but you can check for yourself. OpenBlocks, I looked at their website. It is a better version of the Vulcan, the previous project. Also a step-like project that provides you with the opportunity to buy some sneakers, and beautiful sneakers of different prices, and install the application to your mobile phone, and earning coins by moving. So basically this one is better prepared. The design of the website and what I saw on their website looks better than the Vulcan one, so definitely this one will be of demand too. Here you also need only $100 in USDT in your Bybit account, and you will be able to participate in the USDT lottery, and if your ticket is going to be winning, you will receive 3000 OBX worth of less than, it is not even cent, it is half of a cent, so worth of OBX. So what can we expect from this asset? Obviously you are risking only $12 here, so definitely what price is the highest where you should sell in the first 5-10 minutes of the trading, if we are lucky and we have a good spiking candle? Definitely 4 cents. We are expecting for 4 cents, and this is where you have to put your orders for sell. If we don't get to 4 cents and we slide somewhere around 2 cents on 2.5, you wait for the trading to how it's going to evolve. And if you see that it has no power and you have the reversal signs, you sell it. Definitely you won't lose your $12 you are spending for this launchpad out of your $100. You won't lose them. Definitely you will make some profit. It only the matter what kind of profit, how big it is going to be. If whether it's going to be x3, x5, or x10, that's only the question. I don't think that we will lose those small $12. Somebody will lose. The price of the launchpad is always of the trading when trading starts is always higher than the price of the IEO. So definitely you have to prepare and participate in Bybit's launchpads. That's how you can increase your deposits with small amounts. But if you are investing early, you have small deposits and have small amounts, definitely this is a way for you to double your initial deposits fast. So basically about this OpenBlocks launchpad, the snapshot period starts on 25th June. This is when your $100 have already to be on your Bybit account. On the 30th June, the snapshot period is going to end and your Bybit app will notify you that the subscription or lottery period has begun, and you have immediately visit this page and press on the button that will appear here under the lottery section to commit your $100. You press commit and you wait for the distribution period, the lottery results. So after that you will see here your ticket, and after the lottery it will tell you right away whether your ticket is winning or not. If it's not winning, then okay, next time you will participate in the next lottery, in the next launchpad, which is going to be soon, I think, because Bybit lists a lot of new coins lately, helps them to launch. If your ticket is winning, then you receive 3000 OBX on your account. You will see it in your spot wallet, and you are waiting for an hour for the trading of OBX to start. Usually your application Bybit app on your phone, it tells you when the trading starts, and when it starts exactly at 12 UTC, you open the trading page of this token, and usually you immediately sell. If you see X10, that the price of this token gets to 4 cents or 3 cents, you definitely sell immediately. Don't wait for more. If it doesn't, if it slides somewhere around 2 cents, you wait for it a little to recover a little bit, for example for 2.5, and then you sell it. Depends on the strength of this token, how it's going to evolve, but definitely the first 5 or 10 minutes of trading on this token, on any token in the Bybit Launchpad, they matter. You have to be right when the trading starts. You see a big candle, you immediately that shows you 10 or 8x, you definitely sell. Not waiting for the outcome, because in 10-15 minutes this candle can be absorbed immediately, because a lot of people start selling their tokens. There are a lot of smart people who use maybe even multiple accounts, although it is prohibited, but some people use their relatives, friends to open some more accounts to win more tickets, or so never infringe the Bybit's rules. But if you have your friends, your relatives, you can invite them to participate in the Bybit Launchpad too, and to increase their small early deposits right now using the Bybit Launchpad. It is actually, I cannot tell you that it is totally risk-free, but the practice shows that all the Bybit Launchpads, they made huge access from the beginning, and they never fell below the IEO price. Maybe within some months, but never on upon the beginning, never on the first day. And we are here for speculation. We are here to make a quick buck without the risk. That's it. You are not losing nothing in this. The question here is how much you earn. And if you're up to this, then please join Bybit. And I think everybody has to have a Bybit account now, because Bybit has taken place of the Binance, who started or was holding most of the successful launchpads before, but now it lists them very rarely. Instead, Bybit is trending in this matter and is a leader in this market. So definitely, if you're into this, you don't have a Bybit account, find my partner link in the description, receive some bonuses on your first deposit, and participate in Bybit Launchpads. Definitely make your research of your own. You can visit the Bybit Launchpad page and scroll through the history of the Bybit Launchpads that have ever been launched here, and you can see whether they were successful and whether it is worth participating in it. Good luck to you guys. See ya.